The Toyota Fielder Hybrid is a car from Toyota with front-wheel drive, a front-position engine, and a 5-door estate wagon body style. Its 1.5-liter engine is a naturally aspirated, double overhead camshaft, 4-cylinder that develops 73 basic horsepower at 4,800 RPM and a maximum torque of 111. The engine supplies its power through to the wheels via a continuously variable gearbox. Its stated weight is around 1,170 kilograms. Now this car price, specific model, is between 1.6 to 2 million Kenya shillings at the moment. Now we look at the pros or the advantages in terms of engine and fuel consumption. One is in city driving, it takes around 1 liter takes 23 kilometers. And in the highway, 1 liter of petrol takes you for around 26 to 27 kilometers. Now the CVT shifting is very smooth. It is fast when motor driven and quiet when switching between engine and motor. So basically, it's a good one. Now it has high straight line stability. It is stable with little roll even on curves, making it easy to trace the target line. Minimum turning radius is between around 4.9 meters. It has good visibility both forward and backwards, and then the door mirror position is appropriate and visibility is very good. In terms of ride comfort, it's a little bit stiff, but it handles bumps well, so it's comfortable to ride. The body has high rigidity, so the sound when the door is closed is good, and then it has a quiet engine sound. And in terms of displacement, is very good and can easily handle Kenyan or basically African roads. When you look at the interior, the seat is comfortable to sit on, and the lumbar support is firm, so you won't get tired easily. The rear seats can be reclined. The long door handles are easy to grip, and then there is plenty of legroom in both the front and rear seat, as you will see in the video. And then the black base interior has high texture. The texture of the steering is also refined, and then we also have the luggage space capacity at 407 liters. Of course, there are some cons or disadvantages in terms of issues to work on, like the seat heaters are factory options. There is no place for cards or sunglasses. The cup holder is far away and difficult to use, and then even when the rear seats are folded down, they do not go completely flat. These are things you can ignore, or if you are into them a lot, then you have to consider them. In terms of navigation, it's clear and easy to read meters. It has the eco driving, so it kind of saves a little bit more on fuel. It has convenient steering switch. The driver's seat equipped with automatic power window for all seats, which is a basic thing but also important. Now this is basically an info video just to give you an update. Of course, when you look at this car in Kenyan roads, most people drive it. That's why the price is also high. It's not really a luxury car because you check the interior, it's basically basic things, plastics and all that. But if you are to look at cars which are of the same price, let's say German machines and so forth, you'll find that you have better options. But if you're into this car because probably of the boot space, because of the the ease in driving Kenyan roads and so on and so forth, it's quite something that can be reliable. So enjoy the rest of the video. Remember, this video is shot at Ken Cars Limited along Gong Road. The price, as we have said, is between 1.6 to 2 million depending on the year, make, and the state of the car. Otherwise, it has been Mike with the audio. Do subscribe, the like button, share thoughts in the comment section below if you feel like this video has really given you one or two things more that you didn't know about this car. Otherwise, cheers, man.